s'mores brownie, a zesty orange brownie, we did red velvet cheesecake, berry and cheese swirl, and we also did a Persian rose blondie, which is something really different and nice. So that is there. In case anybody wants to join the class, you can DM me. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly run you through the ingredients that we need today. So we have a few slices of bread, and then of course there's some grated cheese. Now I'm using mozzarella. You can use mozzarella, you can use cheddar, you can use a mix of mozzarella and cheddar both. Okay, and then the toppings are totally up to your choice and taste. I'm using some boiled corn. This is the American sweet corn. I love this with cheese. And I have here some red, yellow and green peppers that we are using. Like I said guys, this is all totally up to your taste and discretion and availability. And of course we have some seasoning. So I have some chili flakes and I have some basil that I'm going to use as well. Yeah, okay, we are back. So should we get started? Ready, please? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, since these are discs, we're first going to use, I have here 2 ring cutters. One is slightly smaller than the other. Okay, so we're going to use this to first shape our bread. Alright, Preet, will you do that? I'm going to just tilt my camera a little so you guys can see what we are doing. Okay, clear now what we are doing? So place it right here, okay, and I think it's the other way. Yeah, okay. So I've cut out this round. I'm going to continue doing that with all the 4 slices here, please. So while Preet is cutting them, I'm going to apply some butter on them. So this is regular Amul butter that I'm using, and spread a nice lavish layer guys, because butter is what makes it really yummy. So I'm going to apply butter only on 2 of the discs. Okay, so I've applied butter on 2. Okay, now with the other 2, what we're going to do is, I'm using the smaller ring now, and we're going to cut them once again. Now I'm going to place this ring. I'm using only the outer ring, and I'm placing this on my first disc. Okay, so I have my discs ready, and now on top of this I'm going to apply some butter here so that I get a nice brown crusty top. Okay, you'll do it for this one? Yes. And now let's make the filling. So I have the cheese, and in the cheese I'm going to add in the corn, and the peppers, and we're going to just mix this up. Yeah, just give me a spoon from this kit. This box. So we're just mixing this up. So you can make this only with cheese also if you want. If you don't want the corn and all, if your children will not like the corn, and in case you don't want it spicy, you can omit the peppers. I'm going to fill up this disc. And now you can either bake this or toast them on a pan. I'm going to put them in the air fryer because that's more handy over here. And of course I'm going to add in some seasoning also. So you are okay with chili, please? You like chili?
Yes.
So this is some basil. You can put it on that one. Two. That's my little doggy barking and growling because she's sitting on my slippers, and the moment we take away the slippers, she gets very, very angry about that. So she's showing her anger right now. So I think I need to feed her a cheese disc too. So guys, I have my air fryer here. I'm going to just pop these in. I'll be toast them for about 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm just putting them in here. So you can also do this in the oven. Now if you're doing it in the oven, make sure your oven is preheated. Okay? You can't see Preet. Oh, Preet is right here.
So do we have to put the batter on them also?
We can. Now since these balanced ones that we have, we can, you can just make a cheese toast out of these two. We can do that. Let's do it. Why should we waste these? No, come. Spread some butter on it. Okay. Come to the camera. So guys, what's your favorite Sunday brunch? Sundays, I'm sure, definitely calls for something special. So what are you all making today? So you can use anything for the seasoning. You guys can use oregano, you can use chili flakes, you can use some peppers, whatever you like. And all those of you who are okay with eggs, you can actually put in some grated boiled eggs to it. It turns out really well. You can omit the corn and put in some grated boiled egg. Poha! Wow, I haven't made poha in a while now. Alright, we'll pop this in when we get that out. So this is going to take a couple of minutes more. And then Preet and I are going to enjoy them. And when you make them, do share pictures with us and let us know how you like them. Make them with your kids. I'm sure your kids are going to love this. Do you like cheese, Preet?
Yes, a lot.
Yeah. So I think everybody loves cheese, right? Yes, the entire egg, the yellow and the white, just grate the whole thing and mix it with your cheese, add some capsicum to it and you're good to go. You can add a little pepper. Guys, I didn't add any salt in here because the butter is also salted and the cheese is also salted, so I have not added any salt. Let me just open this and check. Okay, a couple of minutes more and this will be done. So all those of you who are making it, do share the pics with us. And also keep letting us know what else you would like to see on our live sessions. We are doing the dessert jar series and we are doing the little baker series every alternate Sunday. So next Sunday it's time for the dessert jars. Any suggestions, guys? We've already done a black forest, we've already done a mocha brownie, and we've done a Oreo parfait. So what else would you like to see in the dessert jars? Why are you so serious? Hungry? No? I'm hungry, I'm waiting for that. You guys done with your breakfast? I think it's quite late, you must be done. Okay, I'm going to pull this out. Yes. This is done. These in now. So guys, our easy cheesy discs are all ready. Khushbu says she made the Oreo jar and it turned out awesome. Thank you, Khushbu. Share the pics with us. We'll definitely post it on our stories. Can we have savory jars? Hey, that's a good idea. Yeah, let's do a savory jar next week. I'm definitely going to do this. Thank you, Manju. That's a really good idea. I'm actually quite done with sweets now. We've had enough of like hungry. I am hungry too. So as soon as I log off, Preet and I are going to enjoy this. Red velvet jars. Okay. Kachori. No, I can't make kachori. Sorry. But we'll definitely do a savory jar. Hi Geeta. Geet, sorry. So guys, we are done and we are hungry. So you go try yours. You can add some ketchup to this if you want. Doesn't it look really, really tempting? Yes, Preet? Ready to have it? Cookies. We already have a cookies class. We have both cookies with egg and without egg available in our online pre-recorded classes. So anybody who wants to join, especially now with Diwali coming up, these are good classes to join. So you can definitely join them. Baking time in the oven, you preheat your oven at about 180 degrees and bake it for 5 to 7 minutes. Just basically check the browning. It should get nice and crisp. So if you see, this has got a nice crust. It's really nice and crisp now, the bread. So that is what you need to do. So just put it directly on the wire rack of your oven. There is no need to put a tray so that it gets toasted from top and bottom. Put both your rods on upper and lower and about 5 to 7 minutes in a preheated oven. Should be good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the recipe and we are signing off for the day. Yes, Sakina, definitely next Sunday is a savory jar for sure. Now I have to keep thinking what it is going to be. So you've got me thinking, but yes, we will do a savory jar. So we shall see you next Sunday. How useful is air fryer? Very useful. I use mine all the time. I use it for baking, I use it for toasting, for grilling. I'm a hardcore non-vegetarian, so for all my tikkas and all of that, we use it all the time. I make my pizzas in it. I heat my tandoori rotis when you call for a parcel. So all of that, yeah, and even for frying, or French fries are an integral part of my household cooking. So we have them at least 3 or 4 times a week. So we have them guilt-free because I put them in the air fryer without any oil. So yes, I use it very, very frequently. Okay guys, so we shall see you next Sunday, and in the meantime, if you have any ideas about the savory jars, keep them pouring in, DM us, send us your messages, and do share pictures once you make them. And now Preet and I are super hungry, so we are going to have our cheesy discs. Which brand? I am using Pigeon. I have taken mine many years ago. At that time there were not too many options available, so I have a Pigeon, but Philips is also a good one. So you can take either of them. Okay guys, so I'm going to save the recording for all those of you who missed it. You can see it on our IGTV soon. And thank you. Enjoy your Sunday.
Bye.